season is the period of the year that is distinguished by special climate conditions. The four seasons are spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring. Spring flowers emerge. In spring, plants begin to grow. In spring, tree branches come to life again with greenery. Summer. Summer is the warmest season of the year. If temperature become too high, autumn. Autumn season temperature cool once more. The trees can begin to change color, leaves change color and fall. Winter. Winter is the coldest and darkest season of the year in polar and temperature climates. In winter season, shortest day and the longest night. Thank you for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பாய்.